Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name, the channel dedicated to empowering you on your journey to financial freedom. Today, we're diving into a topic that has the potential to transform your life: affiliate marketing. If you've ever dreamt of earning passive income, working from anywhere in the world, and being your own boss, then you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our value-packed content. We've got a lot to cover today, so let's jump right in. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of affiliate marketing and discover how you can start earning commissions by promoting products you love? I'm excited to be your guide on this journey as we break down everything you need to know step by step, in a way that's easy to understand and even easier to implement. Let's get started by answering the fundamental question: what exactly is affiliate marketing? In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's products or services. You find a product you love, recommend it to your audience, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Think of it like being a brand ambassador or a paid recommender. You're connecting people with products or services that they're looking for, and you're getting rewarded for your efforts. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's a performance-based model. This means you only get paid when you actually generate a sale. No more trading time for money. With affiliate marketing, you have the potential to earn passive income while you sleep, travel, or focus on other things that are important to you. Now that you have a basic understanding of what affiliate marketing is, let's move on to the exciting part: how to actually make it work for you. Let's dive into the practical steps to build a thriving affiliate marketing business. Think of this as a roadmap to your success. Step 1. Niche selection. Choose a niche that aligns with your passions. Your niche is the foundation of your business. Step 2. Affiliate program selection. Find programs your audience will love. Step 3. Website creation. Create a professional-looking website. We'll discuss user-friendly platforms. Step 4. Traffic generation. Explore traffic generation strategies. Step 5. Systemization. Automate tasks to free up your time. We'll discuss automation tools and strategies. Choosing the right niche is paramount to your affiliate marketing success. Your niche is essentially your area of focus, the specific market segment you'll be targeting with your affiliate products or services. Here are a few key factors to consider when selecting your niche. 1. Passion and interest. It's essential to choose a niche that you're genuinely passionate about. Your enthusiasm will shine through in your content and resonate with your audience. Plus, it's much easier to stay motivated and engaged when you're working on something you enjoy. 2. Profitability. While passion is important, it's also crucial to choose a niche that has the potential to be profitable. Research different niches and see what products or services are in high demand. Look for niches with a high earning potential and a proven track record of success. 3. Audience size and competition. Ideally, you want to choose a niche that has a large enough audience to support your business but isn't overly saturated with competition. Finding the right balance is key. 4. Evergreen versus trendy. Evergreen niches such as health and wellness, wealth and finance, and relationships tend to be more stable and sustainable over time. Trendy niches, on the other hand, can be lucrative in the short term but often fade quickly. Section 3. Partnering for profit: navigating affiliate programs. Find affiliate programs that align with your niche and offer products your audience will love. Popular options include affiliate networks, marketplaces, and direct programs. Networks like Share a Sale and CJ Affiliate offer a wide selection. Marketplaces like ClickBank focus on digital products. Direct programs let you partner directly with brands. Choose products you believe in and build trust with your audience. Section 1. The Affiliate Advantage. Why this model rocks. Now, you might be asking yourself, why affiliate marketing? What makes this business model so special? Well, my friend, let me enlighten you about the beauty of affiliate marketing. First and foremost, affiliate marketing offers incredible flexibility and low barriers to entry. Unlike traditional businesses that often require significant upfront investments, starting an affiliate marketing venture can be done with minimal costs. You don't need to create your own products, manage inventory, or handle customer service. All you need is a platform to reach your audience and a passion for connecting them with valuable products or services. Secondly, affiliate marketing empowers you to be your own boss, set your own hours, and work from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Imagine ditching the 9-to-5 grind, saying goodbye to your demanding boss, and having the freedom to design your ideal lifestyle. Affiliate marketing puts you in the driver's seat. But wait, there's more. Affiliate marketing is also incredibly scalable. As you build your audience, refine your strategies, and expand your reach, your earning potential grows exponentially. There's no limit to how much you can earn, making it a truly exciting and rewarding business model. And let's not forget about the power of leverage. With affiliate marketing, you're tapping into the existing infrastructure, marketing materials, and customer support of established businesses. It's like having a team of experts working behind the scenes to support your success. Section 2. It starts with you, cultivating the winning mindset. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of choosing your niche and finding affiliate products, let's talk about a crucial ingredient for success in any endeavor, especially affiliate marketing: the right mindset. You see, it's not enough to simply understand the mechanics of affiliate marketing. You need to cultivate a mindset of abundance, resilience, and unwavering belief in yourself. The online world can be noisy and overwhelming, but it's essential to drown out the doubts and focus on your vision. One of the biggest hurdles aspiring entrepreneurs face is the fear of failure. But here's the thing. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone on the path to success. Every successful entrepreneur has faced setbacks and learned from their mistakes. Embrace the learning process, experiment with different strategies, and don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. It's through action, not perfection, that you'll gain the experience and insights needed to thrive. Remember, success in affiliate marketing, like anything worthwhile in life, requires effort, consistency, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. So cultivate a positive mindset, surround yourself with supportive people, and never give up on your dreams. Section 3. Your Blueprint to Success, a Personal Endorsement. Now you might be thinking, okay, this all sounds great, but is affiliate marketing really that effective? And my answer to that is a resounding yes. I've personally witnessed the transformative power of affiliate marketing, both in my own life and in the lives of countless individuals I've had the privilege of mentoring. It's a business model that rewards hard work, creativity, and a genuine desire to help others. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Affiliate marketing does require effort, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But the potential rewards far outweigh the challenges. Imagine waking up every day excited to work on your own terms, building a business you're passionate about, and making a real impact in the world. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. Throughout this video series, I'm going to share with you the exact strategies, tools, and resources that I've used to build a thriving affiliate marketing business. I'll be your guide, your mentor, and your biggest cheerleader every step of the way. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of affiliate marketing, take control of your financial future, and create a life of freedom and purpose, then buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride. Let's dive into the exciting world of niche selection. Choosing the right niche is like laying a strong foundation for your business. Evergreen niches are consistently profitable year after year. They're like gold mines for affiliate marketers. These niches tap into fundamental human desires and needs. This makes them ideal for a sustainable and profitable business. So, what are these magical evergreen niches? Health and wellness, wealth and finance, and relationships. Let's start with the ever-booming health and wellness niche. This category is all about helping people live their best lives physically, mentally, and emotionally. And let's be honest, who doesn't want that? The beauty of this niche lies in its broad appeal. It caters to a vast audience, from fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals to those seeking natural remedies, stress management techniques, or mental well-being guidance. Within the health and wellness niche, you can find countless sub-niches to specialize in, such as weight loss and fitness. This is a massive sub-niche with a huge demand for products and programs that help people achieve their weight loss and fitness goals. Think diet plans, workout routines, supplements, fitness trackers, and more. Healthy eating and nutrition. With the growing awareness about the importance of nutrition, more and more people are seeking guidance on healthy eating habits, recipes, and dietary supplements. Mental health and mindfulness. In today's fast-paced world, mental well-being is more important than ever. This sub-niche encompasses products and services like meditation apps, stress reduction techniques, anxiety relief tools, and self-improvement resources. Natural health and remedies. Many people are turning to natural alternatives for their health concerns, creating a thriving market for herbal supplements, essential oils, homeopathic remedies, and holistic healing practices. Section 3. Wealth and Finance. Guiding the path to financial freedom. Next up, we have the evergreen and highly lucrative world of wealth and finance. This niche attracts a driven audience eager to learn about managing money, investing wisely, and achieving financial independence. The allure of financial freedom is a powerful motivator, and people are always on the lookout for strategies, resources, and guidance to improve their financial literacy and secure their future. Here are a few sub-niches within the wealth and finance umbrella that offer fantastic affiliate marketing potential. Investing and trading. From stocks and bonds to cryptocurrencies and real estate, the world of investing offers a plethora of opportunities for affiliate marketers to connect with individuals seeking to grow their wealth. Personal finance and budgeting. Helping people manage their money effectively is a valuable service. This sub-niche includes affiliate products and services like budgeting apps, debt reduction programs, credit monitoring tools, and financial planning resources. Making money online. The dream of earning passive income and achieving location independence is a powerful draw for many. This sub-niche encompasses a wide range of affiliate products and services, including online courses, ebooks, software, and tools for starting an online business, freelancing, affiliate marketing, and more. Real estate and property. Investing in real estate is a popular wealth-building strategy. This sub-niche includes affiliate products and services related to property investment, mortgages, real estate agents, and property management. Section 1. Amazon Associates, your gateway to e-commerce riches. Amazon Associates is Amazon's affiliate program, perfect for beginners due to its vast product catalog and built-in trust. Signing up is free, and you'll get access to promotional tools to integrate Amazon products into your content. Section 2. ClickBank, unlocking the world of digital products. ClickBank is ideal for digital products like online courses and ebooks, offering high commission rates. Their platform provides resources, support, and a streamlined payment process for affiliate marketers. Section 3. Beyond the Giants, exploring other affiliate networks. Don't limit yourself to Amazon and ClickBank. Explore networks like ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and Rakuten Marketing. Diversifying your affiliate networks can lead to greater reach and earning potential. Section 1. Legendary Marketer, your shortcut to affiliate success. Legendary Marketer offers a comprehensive education and mentorship platform for aspiring digital marketers. They provide a structured curriculum, personalized coaching, and a supportive community to guide you. Section 2. Dave Sharp, the visionary guiding your journey. Dave Sharp, founder of Legendary Marketer, has built multiple seven-figure businesses and is dedicated to empowering others. His engaging teaching style and commitment to student success make him a valuable mentor. So, what exactly are the tangible benefits of joining Legendary Marketer? Let's break down the Legendary advantage. 1. Clarity, a step-by-step roadmap to success. 2. Earnings, quick income generation with many earning commissions within 15 days. Now that you've got a solid understanding of choosing your niche, finding winning products, and leveraging a platform like Legendary Marketer, it's time to address the lifeblood of any online business: traffic. Traffic is the fuel that powers your affiliate marketing engine. Focus on attracting targeted traffic, either through paid or organic methods, to maximize your earning potential. Section 2. The organic advantage, harnessing the power of YouTube. YouTube, with over 2.5 billion users, is a powerful platform for generating organic traffic. Create high-quality, engaging videos that align with popular search terms in your niche to drive targeted traffic. Section 3. Email marketing magic, building your digital goldmine. Building an email list gives you a direct line of communication with your most engaged followers. Use email marketing to nurture relationships, provide value, and drive affiliate sales. Section 1. Embracing the affiliate opportunity. Affiliate marketing offers the chance to build profitable online businesses with minimal investment. Success requires effort, consistency, and a willingness to learn, but the rewards are worth it. Section 2. Your journey to freedom starts now. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Take control of your destiny and build a business that aligns with your passions and values. Believe in your ability to succeed, embrace challenges, and never give up on your dreams. Your journey to freedom starts now.